Great googly moogly, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we are going to enter flavor country. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Look at that. We have a skid shield that's struggling. We have a pissing power steering leak. Well to a drip, just sitting here, not even running. Lower control arms struggling at life. Oh, let's look into the hole that is this vehicle. We're on the alignment rack today because we couldn't lift the vehicle, and as you can see why, this frame has seen better days. And not for nothing, so has this gas tank shield. And we can see the frame is looking like Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's not looking good. Sway bar not swaying about. We have a petrified rear diff that the fill plug decided to grow a little titty on it. These things are flat, and look at that. This car has a titty. Imagine that. You look further, not looking good until we get to the elephant. Oh, right there. So Senior Balpine had to have a conversation with this frame, and he barely had to speak loudly. He's only an 8-ounce Balpine, and he has gone through the frame in a very, very important spot where the suspension attaches to. Now, we will inform them that the frame is compromised. We'll never pass state inspection in that condition. We will inform them about the power steering leak. Exhaust is looking exhausted. Alright guys, if you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.